Hey, all my little pandas. There's my Geek here, Wizardry Wearables box came today, so we're gonna open it. So there's that off, and let's have a look. Right, we'll go with this first, see that's the first thing up. I have actually seen some unboxings, so I actually know what this is. I'm trying to do all this one-handed, because I haven't set my setup is a little bit different at the moment because I've been crook. So it is another scarf with all the Horcruxes on it, so that's pretty cool. Okay, then there's a couple shirts and in here. This one is the Guardian statues in a nice chocolatey brownie colour, just with the spell on it, which I'm not going to pronounce right now. This one is a beigey coloured one, which with a Bellatrix Lestrange on it, which I'm not a huge fan of Bellatrix, but I like the design of that, so that's pretty cool. And we don't normally get this colour in here. And this one is a long sleeved one with the Weasleys on it. And I do love my Weasleys, so which is really cool. So those we have Arthur and Molly, Ron, Ginny, the Weasley twins, so Fred and George, Percy, Bill, and Charlie. And like I said, it's a long sleeve one. Haven't had many long sleeve. This is the first long sleeve one I've got, so, and it's winter here, so it'll be getting all a lot. And I got another Gryffindor poster, which I'm hope to get the rest of them. Maybe I would love to see Ravenclaws and Slytherins and Hufflepuffs, because I would love to be able to have all four of them and frame them. And so this just tells us what we got. We got 4 items, obviously 5 if you count the poster, which isn't in here. So the t-shirts, the scarf, and the hint for the next box is a police box in the Ministry of Magic. So Ministry of Magic themed, maybe. Oh well, okay. Just don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and leave a like. Bye!